Okay. This video right here is just I'm just gonna go over a quick tutorial on basically how I make my my protein shake. This is a natural protein shake. No protein powder. All we using for this is I got 6 egg whites right here. I cracked the eggs, took the yolk out. Peanut butter. I got a half a cup of oats. Got some spinach and some fruit. And I probably just put a little bit of water. Just a little bit. And just gonna put everything together, man. And I'm gonna blend it all in. I'm just gonna put a little bit more oats in there, just a little tad, you know what I'm saying? So you're getting a carb sauce, slow absorbing carb sauce with the oats. Like I said, we're gonna use the NutriBullet blender to put everything together. Pour the egg whites in. I know some people might be saying ew and all that old shit, but really, man, it doesn't. Don't even think about the egg yolks. It tastes more like the peanut butter than anything. That's the peanut butter right there. It says 2 tablespoons. I put like a tablespoon, maybe 3/4. Who's counting? Okay. So then I add a little bit of fruit. Not much. I try to estimate about a 1/4 cup. Once you start dealing with measurements a lot, you can about estimate it. If anything, I go under most of the time. And I'm about to go off camera for a second. Gotta put my spinach in there. A good handful will do. Boom. And my #1 ingredient, hold on. Gotta get the ice cubes. I just grab my 4 ice cubes, throw them in there. Get a good shake. That got back in there. That's basically it, man. Here it is. It's an all natural protein, and it's like getting 50 grams of protein. So after a good workout, work leg today, it's a good source of protein, straight natural protein, going straight to those muscles, man. So hey, bottoms up.